Today, we're gonna be looking at the Roblox ranting channel I started. As you can see here, we have reached the 1000 subscribers needed to get monetized, but we still need 10 million public shorts views, which I don't think is gonna happen anytime soon, because we're still stuck in the 30k view jail. As you can see here, all our videos are stuck at maximum 30k views, and our next goal is to break out of that 30k view jail. After we break out the 30k view jail, we're gonna be able to get hundreds of thousands and even millions of views per video, which is gonna help us get monetized in no time. Here are the analytics for the past 28 days, which is basically when I started my channel. As you can see here, I missed one upload day because I was focusing on making my Roblox game, but that's for another video. In the last 48 hours, we have gotten 26k views, which is not bad, but also not good. And as you can see, we hit 1k subs. Here you can see that the total views we gotten so far is around 270k, and it's not very consistent. It has a bunch of spikes, ups and downs, and this is basically not what you want to see. But I'm sure we can get this fixed. Now if we head over to the subscribers section, you can see that yesterday we gained over 400 subscribers, and it all came from one short. This right here is the short I'm talking about. As you can see here, we gained 500 subscribers from this short alone, from only 15k views. We can also go over the audience analytics, just so you see what we're working with. As you can see here, 30% of our viewers are from the United States, which is really nice to see, as well as the age gaps are really good. If we come over to the content section, you can see here our views are at 270k, engaged views are 140k, likes 1.6k, and subscribers, well, now it's over 1000. If we take a look at the engagement, 76.5% of people stayed to watch and 23% swiped away. This definitely could be better. I think we could get it over 85%, so I definitely still need to work on that. That's all I wanted to show you guys for the day. Make sure to join my Discord server. I will be linking it as the first link in the description.